Howard Schultz is the founder of Starbucks Coffee, and his net worth is estimated to be $2.5 billion. In 1961, when Howard Schultz was 7 years old, his father broke his ankle while working as a truck driver picking up and delivering diapers. At the time, his father had no health insurance or workers' compensation, and the family was left with no income. That was a really painful time for young Howard. Howard Schultz still remembers the way his father looked laying on the couch with his leg in a cast. In a way, Howard Schultz's tremendous professional success is a tribute to his father, who died years later and never attained fulfillment and dignity from the work he found meaningful. Throughout the building of Starbucks, Howard Schultz has stayed true to the company mission, which is to inspire and nurture the human spirit. There's a very important lesson to learn from Howard Schultz. You have to operate your company by its mission and its values. For Starbucks, nurturing the human spirit is a mission that goes above and beyond the short-term profits the company makes. He wanted to build a company that his father would have been proud and happy to work at. And in order to fulfill that mission of nurturing the human spirit, Schultz's first priority has always been his employees' well-being, he says. Largely because of his father's experience when he was injured, Schultz offered all of his employees, including part-time workers, complete health coverage as well as stock options. Last year, Starbucks even pays for employees' college tuition. Not only that, Starbucks pays its workers well above minimum wage. So instead of trying to minimize labor costs, as most businesses would do, Howard Schultz believes in investing in his employees, and that has led to Starbucks being wildly profitable and Schultz becoming a multi-billionaire.